In this video, you'll learn how to customize the lead and contact details displayed on Sugar Market records. The details section on the lead or contact record will display panels of fields of information that are stored in your Sugar Market database. If unedited, you will see the default detail information panel that displays key fields that have been added by our product team, such as these. There are several ways to edit and save different panel views. You could first edit an individual field on the panel by hovering over the pencil icon, selecting it, and then making edits in this pop-up window. You can search for the field that's on the panel by typing it into the search bar. Most fields can be edited excluding any time-stamped fields that are system generated. When you're ready, you can click Save. The third and final way to edit is by editing the entire layout. You can add additional panels to the layout by clicking the plus sign icon at the bottom of the page, or you can also select from existing panels. When you create a panel or make changes to an existing panel, these panels are then available to be applied to a different role associated with that record type at a later time. When you're ready, you may select Add, and then you can make additional changes and edits to these panels, like adding new fields, removing existing panels, etc. To add a new field, click the plus sign where it says Add Fields. Then you may search through all the possible field options that you have. When you're ready, click Add. You may rearrange the panels by hovering on the right corner above where you see Move Panel, and then dragging and dropping those panels. You have the option to save this to a current layout or save it as a new layout. And when you save this as a new layout, you need to be sure to add a layout name, and then you'll need to assign this layout to a role as well that has access to this particular record type. If you turn off this toggle, then the layout will be saved and be able to be used later as an existing panel.